Here we are on page 2. We'll start with number 1. X plus 4 equals 13. We're going to subtract 4 from both sides. So x equals 9. Number 2, 13 plus t equals 27. Subtract 13 from both sides, and we get t equals 14. Box those answers right there. Number 3, y plus 17 equals negative 12. Subtract 17, and we get y equals a negative 29. Number 4, y plus 2 sevenths equals 6. So subtract 2 sevenths, y equals, now 6 is the same as 42 sevenths, so 42 sevenths minus 2 sevenths will give us 40 sevenths. We could also write this as 5 and 5 sevenths. Box that in. Number 5, x plus 9 halves equals 4. Subtract 9 halves from both sides. We get x equals, this is 8 halves minus 9 halves is negative 1 half. And number 6, 8 equals x minus 5 eighths. We're going to add 5 eighths to both sides. And we get x equals 8 and 5 eighths, or this is 64 eighths plus 5 eighths, 69 eighths. Number 7, negative y equals 15. Multiply both sides by a negative 1, and we get y, positive y, is a negative 15. Number 8, 45 equals a negative x. Multiply both sides by a negative 1, and we get x equals a negative 45. Number 9, negative p equals a negative 34. Multiply both sides by a negative 1, we get p equal 34. Number 10. We're going to start out this one by distributing this 5. So we get 5x minus 25 minus x equals 4x minus 20. Combine the two x's and we have 4x minus 25 equals 4x minus 20. You can already see that something funny is going to happen. So when we subtract 4x from both sides, we're left with negative 25 equals negative 20. An absurd statement which will never happen. So there is no solution. No x will ever make that come about. Number 11. 9x, we're going to take this negative 4 and jump it in here, minus 4x plus 12 equals 15x plus 7. 9x minus 4x is 5x plus 12 equals 15x plus 7. Subtract 5x from both sides. We get 12 equals 10x plus 7. Subtract 7, we get 5 equals 10x. Divide by 10, and we get x equals 5/10, or 1/2. And number 12. If we combine all of these x's together, we have 8x minus 12x is negative 4x, plus x is negative 3x, and that equals 9x plus 8x is 17x. add 3x to both sides, and we get 0 equals 20x. Divide both sides by 20, and we get 0 divided by 20. Punch that in your calculator to make sure you get that. That's 0. It's just turns out to be 0. So x equals 0.